You see that iconic logo on a sleek black box and your brain immediately registers a sense of trust. It is the same name that likely sits on your office desk or powers your work laptop, so why wouldn't you trust them with a flying camera? But here is the reality check that might make you pause before hitting that buy button. This brand does not actually manufacture these drones. They are essentially white label products. A generic factory produces them and then a famous brand name is slapped on the plastic shell to make you feel better about the purchase. This is a common tactic in the budget tech world. It creates a confusing landscape for anyone trying to find a reliable entry-level flyer. When you first crack open the case, the vibes are actually quite good. You get the foldable design. You get the sleek matte finish. It even comes with a nice carrying case and extra batteries. It feels like a total steal for the price point. Then you try to get it in the air. The setup involves a specific app that can be hit or miss. One day it works perfectly. The next day it might lag or lose connection with your phone mid-flight. That is where the anxiety starts to kick in. These units are packed with satellite tracking features, which is honestly impressive for the cost. You get functions like return to home and waypoint flight. These are lifesavers for beginners who are terrified of losing their new toy. If the signal drops, the drone should theoretically fly back to where it started. It gives you a safety net. But you have to wonder about the long-term reliability of those sensors. The flight performance is decent enough if the wind is calm. It hovers okay. It responds to the controller sticks. However, the biggest letdown is usually the camera. The marketing materials will shout about high-definition resolution until they are blue in the face. In reality, the footage often looks like something from a decade ago. It is grainy. It is shaky. The dynamic range is practically non-existent. If you wanted to film a cinematic masterpiece, this is not the tool for you. It is more for seeing what your roof looks like or taking a blurry selfie from 50 feet up. Then there is the battery life. You might get 15 or 20 minutes if you are lucky. That goes by incredibly fast when you are having fun. This makes those extra batteries in the box feel less like a bonus and more like a necessity. Build quality is another roll of the dice. Some units feel solid while others feel like they might shatter if they touch a blade of grass too hard. Since these are not official flagship products, getting customer support is a nightmare. There are no firmware updates coming to save you. There are no official spare parts stores. If you crash it, you are basically on your own. It is a classic case of getting exactly what you paid for. It is a fantastic trainer drone for someone who wants to learn the ropes without risking $1,000. It is a toy with some grown-up features. Just do not go in expecting a professional tool. If you can live with the quirks and the rebranding, it is a fun way to get into the hobby. Just keep your expectations grounded while your drone is in the air.